Toledo Public Schools is going back to requiring masks for everyone. We brought you this news straight to your phones yesterday. Our Kaylee Kirby talked with school officials about this decision today and joins us live outside of the headquarters. Kaylee, why did leaders decide to make this change?
Yeah, Melissa, as the biggest district in our area, leaders say this was the best course of action as they considered all of their factors and options. Now, this comes a little more than 2 weeks after the district previously announced that they would require masks only for students in 8th grade and lower.
You know, all indicators said that this is the time to do it, and we wanted to make sure that we progress fairly quickly on it.
Toledo Public Schools is the first district in our area to change its mask policy after the county moved to a substantial level of community spread. But this change isn't something the district takes lightly. Leaders say they considered all their options.
We look at what other districts and other public institutions are doing. We look at state data. We talk to our health folks quite a bit about it. And so there's a lot of factors that go into making decisions on when we make changes.
The district was already concerned about students who aren't old enough to get a vaccine. At this point, leaders believe requiring a mask for everyone is best, regardless of vaccination status. But they still want more people to be protected.
In terms of the vaccination process and us finding ways to get all of our employees vaccinated and those that can be vaccinated within our community, within our district, that we'll be doing everything we can to make sure that happens by facilitating that whenever possible.
I asked Toledo Public Schools about vaccination rates among staff and students. They say the numbers they have are from when staff and teachers were first able to get the vaccine back in the spring. That number was around 45%. Since then, they know more have gotten vaccinated, but they don't have a current count. As for students, the district tells me they simply aren't allowed to ask parents about whether their kids are vaccinated. Now, Toledo Public Schools has made the ultimate decision to have everyone mask up, but other districts are looking at the numbers and data too, and things could change there. At 6, hear from 2 superintendents about what they're looking at and what could be changed. Reporting live in North Toledo, Kaylee Kirby, WTOL 11.